Okay, so today we have the Spigen Align Master glass screen protector for the iPhone 12 mini, which is the smallest iPhone this year with the 5.4-inch display. As you can see, this is the box that the screen protector comes in. We have some details in multiple languages on the back, and there is a handy pull tab to open the lid. As we pull the contents out of the box, we have this small plastic bag which contains an assortment of things you will need for the installation process. We have 2 units of a lens and screen cleaning wipe. There's a handy microfiber cloth and 2 sets of dust removal stickers in case any dust particle gets stuck between the glass and the display. We also have this leaflet which explains how to remove air bubbles with the included squeegee tool. Then we have the installation frame. This frame is extremely important as it makes sure that the placement of the glass protector will be 100% accurate. It attaches to the phone and makes the process many times easier. Let's keep all this to the side, and as we take the lid off, we have this piece of paper which has Spigen's contact details and a step-by-step guide on the back. The installation process is fairly simple and the guide shows just that. We get 2 sets of screen protectors in the box, so in case you mess up the first time, don't worry because you do have a backup. Before you start the actual installation process, we have to take care of a few things. Make sure that you're in a well-lit environment. Wash your hands thoroughly so that there are no dust particles on them, as it could complicate or even ruin the whole process. If you have a case installed on your phone, make sure to take it off before we start the actual process. Now, as we begin, firstly we start off with the lens and screen wipe. Take it out and start wiping the screen. Do remember that this could take some time, so you have to be patient. Even a single dirt particle could make the whole process unnecessarily complicated, so it is ideal if you don't get any in the first place. One tip that I would like to share with you is to always wipe in the same direction. It has always helped me clean the screen more efficiently. After you're done wiping with the screen wipe, the glass should be a bit moist. Take the included microfiber cloth and repeat the same wiping process, drying the glass as you do it. Remember, take as much time as you want, but make sure that you clean it to the best of your abilities. Do not get impatient. After you have wiped it clean, take the installation frame and attach it to the front of the phone. It will be a very snug, confidence-inspiring fit. Do not worry about scratching the sides of your phone because I have done it a lot of times and I've seen no damage happen. Next, take the screen protector and remove the layer of plastic on the back so that the adhesive is exposed. Once you've done that, slowly fit the glass protector into the installation frame, starting from the top and slowly making your way to the bottom. Remember, all these components are designed to fit each other, so the glass protector will align perfectly with the installation frame. Then, press the glass down on the screen and move it along the arrow. Give it a moment to stick. After that, proceed to gently remove the sticker from the top, and after that, take off the installation frame. You might be having some air bubbles under the screen guard. Nothing to worry about, just take the included squeegee tool and firmly push the air bubbles off the edge. Again, this could take multiple attempts, so the key is to stay patient and keep trying. Once you're done with the air bubbles, take the microfiber cloth and wipe the screen protector clean. Look at the display carefully to check if you have any dust particle stuck under the glass protector. In my case, I had one tiny speck of dust stuck. No need to worry, just take the included dust removal sticker, lift off the screen protector slightly where the dust particle is and insert the sticker underneath it in order to stick it to the dust particle and quickly pull it out. There might be more air bubbles once you do that, so use the same process that we used earlier with the squeegee tool to remove them. Again, take the microfiber cloth and wipe it clean. Make sure to check out the phone in different angles of light to ensure that you did not miss any air bubbles or dust particles. And we're done. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, do remember to like, share and subscribe. This has been Rohan from TechieTechTech, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.